Post Planner SMM Honest Review Watch before using. Most people assume social media scheduling tools are all the same, but Post Planner is designed to help businesses grow engagement, not just post content. Post Planner is a social media management platform for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. One standout feature is its content discovery engine, which recommends trending posts, articles, and images tailored to your audience. Most people get this wrong. They think scheduling posts alone drives growth. The surprising truth is that Post Planner focuses on optimizing content strategy, helping users post high-performing material, schedule at peak times, and monitor engagement metrics. Another advantage is its simplicity. The drag-and-drop calendar makes planning easy, while analytics help track reach, clicks, and shares. Team collaboration features allow multiple users to manage accounts efficiently. However, there are considerations. The platform works best for small to mid-sized businesses and social media managers. Enterprise-level teams may require additional integrations or analytics not offered by Post Planner. Some content suggestions may need manual curation for brand alignment. In conclusion, Post Planner is a valuable tool for businesses looking to improve social media engagement through strategic content curation and scheduling. Pair it with analytics insights for the best results. Subscribe for more honest social media tool reviews before choosing your next platform.